I think the maritime war was silent but definitive during Bani al Marsus. Because once their Indian aircraft carrier came into our waters, it retreated. So if an aircraft carrier retreats, it means that it is a craft which is incapable to provide defense. Now, there's the same situation which the United States is facing in the Strait of Hormuz. And the reason why they're facing is because the technology of war and the character of war and the equipment of war has changed. Now you have UAVs, you have submarines, you have midget class submarines. And if you know your oceans, then you can't move. Then they sent also, if you remember in the last operations which they tried to conduct with Pakistan, they had sent some nuclear submarines, they had sent some submarines, which were also detected. And we didn't hit them because we didn't want them to go back and explain to their people that, this Vishkant, what this aircraft carrier has actually sunk, and it sunk with 44 plus aircrafts, because that would have been devastating. And everybody would have seen what it's doing at the bottom of the Indian Ocean. So I think that's a lesson which they need to understand, and they need to understand that the wars of future will be based on integration. They will be based on network-centric understanding, and they will be based on the dominance of your decision-making in the military domain, your cohesion between the civil military rather than anything else, and also a whole-of-nation approach. And whole-of-nation approach means that you have to get your people to buy that war is for survival, that war is for defense, and that war is not for offense. If you want to have offensive wars, then you should have the wherewithal to actually carry out the offensive, and at least this time drop one bomb, because that would have actually helped them. Because this is a failed offensive operation. It is going to be written in classic textbooks to show how you can plan such a strategic offensive and manage to not only get yourself killed, but killed at 8-0. Something which all air war colleges are right now reviewing, that how you can manage to have such a strategic failure.